What's going on, everyone? So today I got update 2020.12.5. It's been a while since the last update, or at least the last update that had significant features in it. Hopefully, all of you are staying safe out there during these crazy pandemic times. Definitely stay inside if you can. Try to avoid getting sick, and hopefully, hopefully things will get back to normal soon. But anyways, back to this update. So the first thing we see is that there's driving visualization improvements. So now it displays traffic cones on navigate, on apply, or attempt to lane change if required lane change confirmation to avoid cones. Okay, so I'll actually try to avoid cones. That's interesting. I mean, yeah, I guess before it wouldn't avoid cones. I mean, I always manually trigger the lane change, so I always look out for cones or other cars. Did not know it would have hit a cone if I tried to initiate a lane change into a cone, or if I was on autopilot. Navigate on autopilot. So that's interesting. I actually wonder if I'm going to get this though, because I believe cone visualization is only for people who have hardware 3, and I'm still on 2.5. I'm due for an upgrade because I did buy the full self-driving update, and they said they were going to schedule me pretty soon, but I guess due to all this corona stuff, all that's been delayed. Now this is the feature that I think everyone's been looking forward to, which is the dashcam viewer. So now you can actually watch your dashcam clips back in the car rather than having to pull out your USB drive and plug into your computer or plug into your phone before you can play stuff back. So that's huge. That's really, really great. And now you could actually figure out why you got like 47 Sentry mode alerts, and if anything actually happened to your car during that time without having to deal with the hassle. Let's see what the description says. To launch, tap the dashcam icon on the status bar and select launch viewer while the car is in park. If it's in drive, you'll continue to save a clip. Oh, that's cool. If you save clips in tap menu icon, upper left. Each video is organized by location, date, and thumbnail for easy access. For additional filtering options, tap the dashcam or Sentry tabs. Okay, very, very cool. Out of order supercharger stalls. Now identify the number of out of order stalls. To view the current availability, tap the supercharger station map pin. Okay, and then there's minor improvements and bug fixes. Okay. Another thing I'm wondering about is, what is that icon over there? Oh, it must be Sentry mode. So I have Sentry mode disabled at home. So I guess that's the icon was disabled, so I guess they changed that visualization. It's very interesting. Okay, let's start with the out of order supercharger stall. Oh, okay, here we go. Thought I'd have to search around longer, but looks like our dear friend Kettleman City has 3 stalls that are out of order, so it actually tells you that now. And that's why 37 out of 40 stalls are available. So I guess right now no one's at the supercharger. And I haven't checked for a while. It looks like the prices are still the same. It's still 28 cents per kilowatt hour. Very cool. Okay, so let's try viewing some dashcam clips. So we go over here. Oh wow, save footage, launch viewer. Let's launch viewer. So over here you have your driving, I guess, in chronological order. Let's see. Let's go with this one over here. Wow. Has your left, right, rear, and then of course this is front. Okay. Very cool. What about Sentry? So this is all the times your Sentry mode was triggered. Probably by people walking by. And then dash cam. What's this over here? Oh, okay, this is expanding the menu. Okay, pretty simple, but yeah, that's actually pretty good. Oh wow. And then you can tap whichever one you want to put that one in full screen. That's actually really cool, really useful. Let's see how fast it is to kind of scrub ahead. Oh, okay, I see. There's no scrubbing, unfortunately. But you can kind of jump. Wow. Very, very cool. Yeah, that's a really useful feature. And you can even delete your clips from here. So just hit that. Delete your footage. Wow. That's actually super, super helpful. Yeah, if you just need to quickly review your clips before you delete them and you don't want to deal with plugging it into your computer or your phone. This is a really much requested feature. Very happy that Tesla did this for us. So very awesome. I guess that's pretty much it. I mean, this is kind of a short video. I guess what I should start probably doing a little bit more of is just commentary on, I guess, Tesla in general. What to talk about? I mean, the stock price. I mean, I have a little bit of Tesla stock, not that much, unfortunately. I used to have a larger holding, but then I kind of sold to lock in some profits, and obviously I was very sad when it went all the way from like 200 something to like 900. But I had an okay amount, but it was just wish I had more. But that's how that's how it works. Of course, I didn't sell at the peak, and now it's down to like 400 something. So I'm still up, but definitely would like to see it go back up to 900 or even 1,000. That'd be amazing. I mean, it definitely shows that the stock has a lot of potential, or at least it's driven by a lot of hype. So that's that's just pure insanity. But obviously, like, I'm a big fan of the company, and I think the fundamental technology is pretty strong. The way the company is run, pretty good, pretty good. I mean, definitely Elon Musk he's not free from criticisms, but like in the end, what he does is nothing if not super effective. So he's made some questionable decisions in the past, and he overpromises and stuff like that. But in the end, like, he does deliver. I would never want to work there. I've actually applied there before, but I don't think I would have taken the job regardless of compensation. Although I actually heard they pay like below market rate. Because I've heard like horror stories of how hard they work you to death. I mean, I just heard that due to Corona, they're furloughing a lot of employees, and then also they're reducing everyone's compensation. So if you're a rank and file employee, you get like a 10% pay cut, and then I think it's like if you're a manager or like a director or something like that, you get a 20% pay cut, and then VP and above get 30% pay cuts, and plus they're putting a halt on like any kind of like annual raises or equity grants and stuff like that, which that really sucks for the employees. I mean, like, I feel like as a whole, Tesla has enough money to, keep paying their employees, their full wages. I mean, it's through no fault of theirs that this has happened. But I guess when you run a company like this, you have to keep lean, because you never know what could happen in the future. So was not the greatest. I don't think it was like very. I think it was very good, but I could see how it could be necessary. But I feel really bad for all the people who now they basically have to scramble to figure out how they're going to pay their bills. I mean, sure, there's like unemployment and things like that, and also the $1,200 for people who make under 75K, I think, and then it's like minus $50 for every $1,000 you make above that. So I think it tops out like 99K or something like that. For those people, they will get that money, but it's taking quite some time. I heard it's gonna take weeks. Like, it'll be weeks from now before they get it. So I don't know if that is even gonna be really on time for them. So definitely, I'm fortunate that I'm allowed to work from home and things like that, and be able to just keep going on in these times. So Definitely feel very fortunate. Yeah, for all of you out there, definitely thanks for watching. Keep safe. I don't know what other content I'm gonna be coming out with, since it seems like the Tesla updates are slowing down a little bit. Actually, I have to think about really what the future of this channel is going to be, because although I really like covering Tesla, I'm starting to kind of run out of stuff, and then more and more Tesla channels are also popping up too. So I don't know how much value I can add, but so it's always fun making videos, especially these kind of videos where the editing is fairly minimal. I can just like bust out a camera, sit down for 10-15 minutes. Editing probably takes no more like 10 minutes. Do a little encoding, a little uploading, a little tagging, and as long as even one person watches them, like that makes me feel like it's worth my time. Anyways, take care, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one. Later.